Hi, my name is George, and in this video, we're diving into Jungle Scout review. Whether you're just starting out on Amazon or you've been selling for a while, Jungle Scout promises to make your life a whole lot easier by helping you find profitable products, manage inventory, and beat your competitors. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Jungle Scout can do, its pros and cons, and if it's worth your investments. Before we begin, a quick note, some of the links in the description are affiliate links. That means I might earn a small commission if you make a purchase using those links, but this won't cost you anything extra and it helps me support my channel. Now, let's jump right in. What is Jungle Scout and why is it popular? Jungle Scout launched back in 2015 as a simple browser extension designed to help Amazon sellers find profitable products. Since then, it has grown into a complete tool set that covers everything from product research to sales analytics. Over 600,000 sellers now use it, which says a lot about how helpful it is for the Amazon community. Now, if you've ever tried selling on Amazon, you know how overwhelming it can be. You need to pick the right products, price them competitively, figure out how to rank higher in search results, and keep track of sales and inventory. Doing all of this manually can take hours, and you will still be guessing half of the time. Jungle Scout removes the guesswork by giving you data-driven insights so you can make smarter decisions. What are the key features of Jungle Scout? Jungle Scout is packed with tools that can help you at every stage of your Amazon FBA journey. Let's talk about what it offers in more detail. One of the main reasons people use Jungle Scout is for product research. It's often hard to know what products will sell well on Amazon, especially if you're just starting out. Jungle Scout has tools like the product database, which lets you search for niches with low competition and high demand. It also has an opportunity finder that helps you spot trendy products or categories that aren't too competitive. Once you find a product that interests you, you can use the product tracker to see how well it's selling over time. This makes it much easier to decide if a product is worth investing in. After choosing a product, the next step is finding a supplier. Jungle Scout's supplier database is a lifesaver here. You can search for suppliers by entering a product name or even a competitor's product ID. The tool shows you details like the supplier's shipping history and top customers so you know if they're reliable. You can also organize and save suppliers using the supplier tracker, making it easier to keep track of your options. Keywords play a huge role in how visible your products are on Amazon. If you don't target the right keywords, well, shoppers won't find your listings. Jungle Scout helps with this too. Its Keyword Scout tool lets you find the best keywords based on search volume, competition, and even what your competitors are using. You can then save these keywords in a list and use the Listing Builder tool to create optimized product listings. Once your listing is live, the Rank Tracker tool monitors how well your keywords are performing. This means you can make adjustments if you're not seeing the results you want. Now, Jungle Scout isn't just about research. It also helps you manage your marketing. With its promotions tool, you can set up and run discounts or special offers directly through the platform. There's also review automation, which makes it easy to request product reviews from your customers. Reviews are so important for building trust and increasing sales, and this tool takes the hassle out of the process. So knowing how your business is performing financially is crucial, and Jungle Scout has tools for that too. Its profit overview feature gives you real-time insights into your sales, expenses, and profits. If you want a more detailed look, the P&L statement breaks everything down so you can see exactly where your money is going. You can even track off Amazon expenses like shipping costs or product photography fees using the Other Transactions tool. Another great feature is the Ads Analytics tool, which shows you how your advertising campaigns are performing. It tracks things like ad spend, net profit, and return on investments, helping you decide where to focus your budget. Inventory management is another area where Jungle Scout excels. Its Inventory Manager tool helps you keep track of stock levels and even alerts you when it's time to restock. This can save you from running out of stock or paying extra storage fees for items that aren't selling quickly. Finally, Jungle Scout has a browser extension that works directly on Amazon's website. This means you can analyze products, niches, and keywords without switching back and forth between Jungle Scout and Amazon. It's a small feature, but it saves a ton of time. Now, let's talk about user experience and pricing. One thing I really appreciate about Jungle Scout is how easy it is to use. The interface is clean and intuitive, even though it has over 20 tools. Everything is neatly organized in categories, so you won't waste time trying to figure out where things are. If you ever get stuck, well, there's a built-in support feature that lets you contact their customer service team. They're quick to respond and really helpful. For beginners, Jungle Scout also has a learning platform called the Jungle Scout Academy. It offers video tutorials, webinars, and other resources to help you get the most out of the software. Now, when it comes to pricing, Jungle Scout has 3 plans. The starter plan costs $49 per month and is great for new sellers. If you're growing your business, the Growth Accelerator plan costs $79 per month and includes extra features like historical data. For large-scale sellers, there's the Brand Owner plus CI plan, which costs $399 per month and supports up to 2,000 products. There's no free trial, but they do offer a 7-day money-back guarantee. Pros and cons. Let's talk about what Jungle Scout does well and where it falls short. Now, one of its biggest strengths is its data accuracy. It claims to have an 84% accuracy rate, which is higher than competitors like Helium 10 or Viral Launch. This makes it a reliable choice for making data-driven decisions. The user interface is another highlight. It's beginner-friendly, but still offers enough depth for advanced sellers. Jungle Scout also has a strong support system, including helpful customer service and a ton of learning materials. Now, on the downside, Jungle Scout doesn't offer a free trial, which might make some people hesitant to commit. There's also no mobile app, so you'll need to use the desktop version. Lastly, it's mostly focused on Amazon FBA sellers. So if you're selling on other platforms, you might find it limiting. So, is Jungle Scout worth it? If you're serious about growing your Amazon FBA business, the answer is a resounding yes. It simplifies so many aspects of selling on Amazon, from product research to inventory management, and gives you the tools you need to make informed decisions. While it does have some limitations, the overall value it provides far outweighs these drawbacks. So if you want to learn more about Jungle Scout, make sure to check out the link in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.